I'm out in the middle at the Gaddafi Stadium. I can feel the aura at this magnificent facility. It's nice and cool as we approach the winter season here in Lahore. Now, in terms of the dimensions, the square boundary is quite even. It's 66 meters in length, so that's quite even. The other thing you got to take into consideration in terms of this pitch, it's the same pitch that was used for match one. So there is a little bit of wear and tear, but it's still a good pitch for batting. If you look at it mosaic looking, there's very little grass, and as we saw, batting was quite easy in that first game. First inning scores, batting first here, you need to get at least 150, 160. If you get above that, that's an unassailable total. I don't think the dew factor will be significant because we're starting at 6 p.m. local time. In terms of bowlers and bowlers who have been successful, the seamers, they get a little bit of swing early up. That's because of the moisture in the air. So that's the most threatening period for batters. Batters must manage risks. That's crucial. If you can't hit the big sixes, try to find the gaps. That's going to be important for run scoring here. Don't expect a lot of turn for the spinners. The spinners will need to try and be economical. But at the end of the day, this is a very good surface for batting. And who knows? We'll see if the hunters can capture the Royals, or will the hunters be prey? Only time will tell.